So hi guys, in this video we will learn about dictionaries. So dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which is unlike other data types that holds only a single value as an element. In dictionary we have one key and one value, and this key and value is separated by a colon. Okay, and each key is separated by a comma. So let me show you that to initialize a dictionary, there are three kind of ways. So I'll show them one by one. So if you write like this, dict equals to curly brackets, like sets, it's also use the curly braces. And now if I print, this is an empty dictionary. Okay, and okay, it is actually printing inside the curly braces, which I don't want, and then print dict. Now if you run this cell, you can see this is an empty dictionary. And if you want to create a dictionary with integer keys, you can write like this. I just write over here a equals to, and then the curly braces, open curly braces, and then one clone, and then the name. For example, I'll just write over here mango. So here this one is the key and the mango is the value, and two keys are separated by a comma. So I'll just write over a comma and then the next key, then the value of our next key, that is suppose orange. And similarly I'll just write one more clone, and then value is apple. And now if I print a, you can see this is called dictionary. So in this way you can initialize a dictionary. Now let's create a mixed dictionary. For example, mixed the name of the dictionary, and I'll just copy this code from here and paste it here, and I'll just change this thing with a name, that is, and after this is the key. Actually this is not the value, name is not a value, and then clone, and then the value of name, for example fruits. And then if I write mixed and run this cell, you can see here the first key is int and the second key is a string. So in this way you can create a dictionary. Now suppose from the dictionary a, if you call like this a, then in the parenthesis, in the box bracket 1, it will print mango because 1 is initialized with the value mango. Similarly, if you write like this a2, it will print orange. Similarly, if you write like this mixed name, sorry, name, and it will print fruits because this name key is initialized with the value fruits. Now if you want to add another set, or you can say another key and value with a previous dictionary, you can write like this a. For example, I want to add another fruit name after these three, so I'll just write over here a, and in the box bracket I'll write 4, and then that is equals to, then the value, and the value can be grapes. Okay, and if I print a now, you can see 1 is mango, 2 is orange, 3 is apple, and the last one 4 is grapes. So in this way you can add another key and value with the previous dictionary. And similarly, if you want to delete some key or and values from a dictionary, you will use the del key, del, and after that the dictionary name, that is here a. Then inside the box bracket you have to write the key. For example, I want to delete the 4, that is grapes, and then I'll just run this cell, and after that if I run a, you can see now it is showing 1, 2 and 3. There is no 4 over here. And if you want to clear the whole dictionary, you can use the dot clear method. For example, you can see the mixed. If I write over here mixed and run this cell, you can see mixed has these keys and values. And if I write mixed dot clear and then a parenthesis and run this cell, and after that if I write mixed, it is now an empty dictionary, right? So all the keys and values are deleted. So like list, tuples, sets, there are few more methods with dictionary. I'll add them in the sides over here, and you can see all of the methods with the description, and you can practice them by yourself, because most of the methods are we already done with the previous things. So you can do it by yourself, and if you have any kind of doubts, put that into the comment section.